Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Linksys VELOP whole home Wi-Fi router. Let's get into the video. Alright, as we take a look at the box, we can see the router on the front of the box. We got the logo right here, and all of the details right there. As we turn it to the side here, you get, again, the warranty stuff, the info and all that, and stuff required for setup. You got the router, of course, right there, the logo. And we take it to the bottom. Of course, we have the Linksys VELOP logo right there. And now let's take it to the unboxing. So we gotta flip it up this way, and there's some tape that we need to cut right here on the bottom. So I'll do that real quick. So gotta lift it up right here, and now we can flip it this way, and now we get our first look. So as you can see here, we have 3 of these, so we can take them out, but we'll save the best for last. Let's take a look at the manual right here. So this is the quick start guide. It has everything you need to know about this router, the setup, and then of course you have some of this pamphlet stuff in there. Not really pamphlets, but important stuff. And then you have this, and it has like the 4 number for support, and it says that it's available 24/7. And we can take this out here, but let's take this out. So here we have the first unit. Here's what it looks like. We got number 1 there, got the second one here, and the third one right there. So let's take it to the bottom. So as you can see here, we have the reset button right there, the on and off, and it's automatically set to on. Well, not automatically, just by default. And if we turn it to the back, you can see here that we have 2 Ethernet inputs there, and then we have the power input right there, so we can actually power this on. So again, the same thing for the other 2. And now we can lift this up, and we can get our look at the cables. So lift this up here. We have 3 of these, so we can power on all 3, and that's all there is really inside of here. So that's the unboxing of the Linksys VELOP whole home Wi-Fi routers. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and comment down below what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.